Graphite. Diamond and graphite are macromolecules. You know, macro means giant. Macro means giant. Macro or giant, they are the same words. Which statement about diamond and graphite is not correct? What do you think? Yes.
Which
This is correct statement, right? This is correct statement because both are high melting and boiling points. They are non-conductors of electricity. No, graphite was a good conductor if you remember. Am I right?
yeah,
Yes or no? Exactly. So this is your correct answer. Okay, got it.
yeah.
Now see this, two statements about diamond are given. Diamond has a giant three-dimensional covalent structure of carbon atoms. Diamond is one of the hardest known substance, which is correct. Both statements are correct, and statement 1 explains statement 2. Both statements are correct, but statement 2 does not explain statement 1. Statement 1 is correct, but statement 2 is incorrect. No, wrong, completely wrong. Statement 2 is correct, but 1 is no, completely wrong. So you have to select between A and B. What do you think which is supposed to be correct?
I think it's both statements are correct, and both statements are correct, but statement two, wait, it's actually statement two explains statement. No, both statements are correct, and statement one explains statement two. A.
So yes, A is correct.
Which statement about diamond and graphite is not correct? Diamond is used in cutting tools because of strong covalent bonds made it hard. Graphite is acts as a lubricant. I think A is wrong. A wrong. A is
Diamond is used in cutting tools. Graphite acts as a lubricant because of the weak bond between the layers. Graphite conducts electricity because the electrons between the layers are free to move. No. Graphite has a low melting point because of the weak bonds between the layers. So, which is not correct? Which is not correct, right? Graphite has a low melting point because of the weak bonds between the layers. Graphite conducts electricity because the electrons between the layers are free to move. Graphite acts as a lubricant because of the weak bonds between the layer. It's true. It's true. And also, um a statement 1 is also true. A, that is A. So this is incorrect. A is incorrect. A is incorrect. And this is also incorrect. Okay. Like, I mean, okay, they are correct statements. You have to see B, B, and D. Graphite acts as a lubricant because of the weak traction. So this is also true statement. So this is the wrong one. Graphite has a low melting point. Graphite has a high melting point. Why they are saying low melting point? Because graphite is also a giant covalent structure. Yes or no?
yeah.
Yes. Now see this.
Rescuers are drilling through fallen rock in order to rescue some men trapped in a cave. The drill needs lubricating from time to time. The following statements were made about rescuers used for the drill tip and the lubricant and the reasons for their use. Diamond was used for the drill tip as it does not conduct electricity. Diamond was used for the drill tip as it is very hard. Graphite was used as a lubricant as it conducts electricity. Graphite was used as a lubricant like
Rescuers are drilling through fallen rock in order to rescue some man trapped in a cave. The drill needs lubricating from time to time. The following statements were made about the materials used for the drill tip and the lubricant and the reasons for their use. Diamond was used for the drill tip as it does not conduct. Oh man, they are irrelevant term. They are like diamond was used for the drill tip as it does not. What is this? They are supposed to write diamond was used for the drill tip because the diamond is very hard. So we can drill. We can drill anything else. So this statement is wrong. Diamond was used for the drill tip as it is very hard. That's good. Graphite was used as the lubricant at its again the wrong thing. The irrelevant
Mm-hmm.
statement. They are supposed to write diamond. Graphite was used as the lubricant because between the layers there is a weak force of attraction, so they can slip over each other. So they have written that it conducts electricity. Graphite was used as a lubricant as it is soft and flaky. So yes, 2 and 4. So that's why D for doctor is correct. Are you getting my point?
Yeah.
Good. Oh yeah. Next. Graphite is a form of carbon. Why can graphite be used as a lubricant?
It has weak covalent bonds, so the atoms move easily. Yeah.
So which
Wait,
is
no,
correct?
no, no, D. Graphite has weak forces of attraction between the layers, so they can move.
Yes. So D for doctor. Yes. Good. This.
X and Y form the covalent compound. What is its formula? So if it is in period, if it is in group 1, 2, 5, then it will have 3. So then it will be X3Y.
How
D.
can you say that this is X3Y?
Because Y has a 5 outer electrons, meaning it's in group 5. So the thing the what is it? I don't remember what it's called, but it will be 3 in the formula, and then we need to swap them around when X has only 1.
As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's in group 5. So those which are in group 5, they have a valency that is 3. This is in group 1, only one outer electron. So the valency for group 1 is 1, right? So whenever I would be writing down the formula, I would be swapping the numbers and I would be getting X3Y, that is D. Are you getting my point?
Yeah.
Yes. See this?
Slate has a layered structure and can be split into thin sheets, which diagram shows most likely like that of slate.
They are saying slate. You know, slate is just like a graphite, it's soft, and also they have defined that it has a layered structure, can easily be split into the thin sheets, which diagram shows a structure most like that of a slate. So obviously it's A. It's near to the graphite, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, because they are saying it has a layered structure. So except A, there is no any structure which is having a layer. Am I right?
Yeah.
Except D, because D, D is a metallic structure, the structure of any metal.
Mm.
Okay, see this.
The lead in a pencil is made of a mixture of graphite and clay. Okay. What the percent when the percentage of graphite increases, the pen slides across. More easy. Which statement explains this observation? Graphite has a high melting point. Graphite is a lubricant. Graphite is a lubricant.
Exactly. Graphite is a lubricant, so that's why it's soft. See this?
Uh, the diagram shows the structure of two atoms, P and Q, of a solid element. What are the suitable uses of P and Q based on their structures? Uh, so based on structure P, that would be graphite, and then Q would be diamond. So P, it would be C. C for castle.
Good. Yes. Last question. 11.
Statements 1, 2, and 3 are about diamond and graphite. There are different solid forms of the same element. They each conduct electricity. They have atom is formed, 4 equal. It's 1 and 3. 1 and 3.
But you know, in graphite, each carbon is connected with three other carbons, but they are saying they have atoms that form
Oh,
four
yeah.
equally strong bonds.
So it's 1 only.
Exactly. A is correct. Okay.
Mhm.
So may I share these sheets to you, and you're supposed to do this so that we may discuss in a detail in the next class, that is tomorrow, inshallah.
Mm-hmm.
And it's related to totally it's your syllabus. So you're not supposed to do any extra thing that is not a part of your syllabus. It would waste your time badly. So we are
Okay.
supposed to do only those things that is coming in your midterm, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yes. Yes, exactly. So you're not supposed to do any yearly paper. It's not the time to do yearly paper. When we would be completing the full and fledged, like all the chapters, then we are supposed to start the yearly papers. But before this, you can only do the topical past papers. Okay?
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yes. So I'm sending it to you, and then you're supposed to do. Then inshallah, I would be asking in tomorrow's class. Okay?
Okay. Thank you so much.
Mhm.
Bye.